Hi everybody, Jayden here from EU Group, and we are back with another awesome video. If you've seen the title or the thumbnail already, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But today, I'll be showing you guys the brand new T70P. Boom! That was pretty cool, right? So anyway, the T50, everyone knows that as like your dependable workhorse. And then on the other side, you got the T100, which gives you that maximum output. The T70P bridges that gap. So it combines the best of both worlds. The DJI T70P, the efficiency expert. Okay, so first impressions. DJI always does a really good job with their packaging. Safe, secure, can't go wrong. I'll put the dimensions of the box up onto the screen somewhere here, if you guys need it. And without further ado, it's not what's on the outside that's important, it's what's on the inside. Let's open her up. Okay, we'll just remove the foam cover. There we go, the brand new T70P. We've got the T70P out of the box. Also comes included, we've got the battery charging station and the RC case. We'll do a close-up shot of that in a little bit. Now that we've got the T70P out, let's get her opened up and then do a quick walk around. Okay, got the T70P all opened up. Size-wise, it is very similar to the T100. However, when you have it closed, it's just slightly thinner. But if you already have a trailer built and can fit the T100, you're good to go. First impressions, we've got our 62-inch props on all of the arms. We also have our ESCs on the top of the arms compared to the T100, which has them on the side. And also on the back two arms here, we've got our spraying sprinklers. So let's move on to the spraying system. So the T70P has a 70-litre spray tank with a possible 10-metre swath. You have a standard 30-litre minimum spray rate and the ability to switch it to quad spraying system, which bumps it up to 40 litres per minute. And this is all encapsulated by a variable drop rate diameter of 50 to 500 microns. And if you're looking at the top of the tank here, you'll see the tank lid. So this includes the two caps, and it's quite useful if you're using a gun to load. If not, you can just pop off the top and fill like that. Nice and simple. Onto the spreading system. We have 100 litres capacity with a 400 kg per minute maximum flow rate with a 10-metre swath. So compared that to the T50, the spraying efficiency is increased by 50%. Okay, so the top here, we've got our spraying plate and we've got included auger. Let's remove the foam piece. Then here we've got the spreading tank. Moving on to the power systems, the T70P is able to use the DB1580 or the DB2160, which are 30 amps and 41 amps respectively. If you pair this with the C12000 or the D14000IE, you'll have ample amounts of efficiency to spare. Since we're talking about safety, the T70P has two sets of millimeter wave radars, here and here. We've got the tri-vision system, night vision full color FPV, obstacle detection, and AR safety assist display. And that was the quick overview of the brand new DJI T70P. Stay tuned for future videos. I've got test flights and interviews that you guys don't want to miss. This has been Jayden from EU Group. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.